Welcome to Cedar Avenue, unit number 15 in the city of Long Beach. This vintage building is securely gated and is located in the heart of Long Beach. Minutes from downtown Long Beach, the Queen Mary shopping, dining, and public transportation. Unit 15 is on the second floor, and as you enter the building and go upstairs, it's on the right-hand side near the back of the building. Enter into the living room with a ceiling fan, 2-inch faux wood blinds, luxury vinyl planks, and fresh paint. This is a junior one-bedroom, which has this very large walk-in closet that could be used for a variety of reasons. And across the hall is a full bathroom with nice architectural appeal of an arch, a shower tub enclosure, new vanity and sink. And finally, towards the back, you have the kitchen with stainless steel sink and faucet, and a gas range and stainless steel refrigerator. Another door exits to the hallway outside from the kitchen, and the junior one-bedroom is in the back area with, once again, another ceiling fan, 2-inch faux wood blinds, luxury vinyl planks, and another closet with a sliding door. This building includes water and trash, and this unit is available. If you're interested in viewing or applying for this unit, please go to www.jamico.com.